Welcome friends. In this video, we will see how to create tables and how to set its various attributes and properties. For creating table, HTML provides table tag. Table tag contains 4 sub-elements, which is tr means table row, td means table data, th means table header, and caption, which is used to provide caption to our table. Now let's see how to create tables. For creating table, first we have to create table tag, and we have to also complete table tag by forward slashing. Now in table tag, how many row and how many columns we want to create is defined by td and tr. So we are creating just table for student information and its marks. So for that, tr tag is used. For creating row means table row, we are creating first one row. In one row, how many columns you want to insert? For that, table data, which is used to create table cells, I want to create 2 columns, so I have added 2 td. Now in first td I want to write student name, and in second td I want to write marks. Now this is first row is created. To create second row, similarly we have to write another tr, which is table row, and for enter data td is used. I want to write John, and marks of John is 56. I am completing td and save this document. Now let's run this page. We can see table is created. Student name is equal to John and marks is equal to 56. Now let's see various properties of this table. First property of table tag is border. If you want to give border to table, then you can give border by border attribute. I want to give border by 2 pixel. These are the header of our table. I am replacing td with th and save it. Reload. We can see automatically header have bold text and other have only regular text, and border is created by 2 pixel. We can also give bg color, background, height and width of table by giving various attributes in table tag. Similarly, table data also contains some properties like bg color, background, and important attribute of table data is row span and col span. So let's see the effect of row span and col span. I am adding tr. I have added one more student called Martin and its mark. Now I want to give average of the students in separate cell. I am giving one more row. I have given average in only one cell. Let's see the effect. We can see in the output this space is left blank. So what we can do for this, by col span property we can extend this column by cell. So let's do this by col span. So we have to write col span to extend this column is equal to how many cell we want to extend. I want to extend this by 2 column. Let's check. We can see space which was blank is removed and our column is now size of 2 column. So this is how we can use various attributes in table data. So this is about tables and its various properties. Thank you.